I turn my back on you. Let me tell you so you know, in my life it's only you I hope. Who's the one who wrote those lines, saying I've moved on, found someone in time. The love we had so long ago, don't think of it, don't let it grow, don't let it be a place of pain, where memories live and still remain. I heard the news, you're married now. My heart broke twice, I don't know how. I wish my breath would fade away so I don't feel this pain today. Tears keep falling, never try. This love I held can't say goodbye. Memories live, they won't let go. I'll love you till the end, you know. I'll remember you until the day you fade like sunlight, slips away just like a river flowing on, never returning where it's gone. Heard the news, you're married now. My body froze, my soul shut down. I wish for sleep to take my pain so I won't hear your name again. Tears keep falling, never try. This love we had won't say goodbye. Memories hold, they won't let go. I'll miss you till the end, you know. I'll remember you until the day